Audio has just announced their new Solano 2.0 loudspeaker lineup. Look, in this lineup, you will have a bookshelf speaker, you will have a center channel speaker, and then a floor standing loudspeaker. The Solano 2.0 center channel speaker is the one you can use in your home theater setup, while the floor standers can act as your right and left in that cinema setup, or you can use the tower speakers alone as a two-channel setup, depending on what you want to do. ELAC is starting this year with a bang. They've taken their time with their release, at least to put out new releases this year. I don't think I've announced anything from ELAC this year. This should be my first announcement for the brand. I don't think they've really put out anything this year, so they've been taking their time to release stuff. The thing here is that the bookshelf can serve as your surround. The floor stander can work in your theater as your left and right, and then the center channel will just handle the dialogue for you in general. Now, one thing here is that the cabinet of the Solano speaker has undergone meticulous engineering. You will have a very, very, very good MDF, very good MDF design to the cabinet, the outer walls. It has a gloss painted finish as well. It also comes with a Jet 6 tweeter that's engineered and designed in Germany. So this Jet 6 air motion transformer tweeter will provide you very wide frequency response. It's really good in many respects. Now, one thing here is that you have aluminum sandwich woofer. Now, this thing will, at least this particular woofer will allow you to get decent bass from these speakers, depending on how you want to use them in your setup. Although I know most people will go buy a subwoofer regardless of how well your speakers perform in the bass department. These speakers also have a down firing port. The bass reflex port on the Solano speakers are designed to exit downwards from the bottom of the speakers, so it just makes for a more flexible speaker placement and reduces ventilation noise and all that. So look, this thing is built really well. Now, the bookshelf is the smaller one out of the whole lineup of speakers they've just put out. It doesn't weigh so much. It's a two-way speaker. It still has the same Jet 6 tweeter. It's built really well. It has a bottom firing port. It can be bi-amped, bi-wired. It all depends on what you want. Then if you want like a bigger setup, you can go for the Solano 2.0 FS 287 loudspeaker. Now this one is their floor standing loudspeaker. It is huge. It has bigger bass drivers inside and can go down low in terms of the bass performance in general. So that's it. Basically, then you have the center channel loudspeaker. The center channel loudspeaker will just be the one to handle the dialogue, depending on whether you just watch movies with this setup. So look, I'm going to drop details for you guys. And now, in terms of pricing might be the only thing that might make or break it for a lot of people. If you want the bookshelf, a pair of it will be $2,000. It will be priced at $2,000 for the BS 283.2 bookshelf loudspeaker. Then if you want the floor standing loudspeaker, it is $4,000 for a pair. $4,000 will get you the FS 287.2 loudspeaker. Then finally, if you want the center channel loudspeaker, this model will be priced at $1,200. $1,200 for the CC281.2 center channel speaker. I'm going to drop details for you guys because a lot of people would ask the question as to how they can get their hands on it. So check out the description down below. Do subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.